In this video, I'll show you how to change password on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook account. Click on your account, click on the settings and privacy, click on the settings, right? Wait for it to load up. And once it has opened up gradually now, you're gonna click on this personal details, right? Click on it. Then you're gonna wait for it to load up as well. So give it a few seconds for it to load up, right? Yeah. So this is going to load up, right? Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this password and security right here. Once you click on it, you're going to click on this change password, right? Click on the change password. You cannot enter your current password, then you enter your new and retype the new. And once you're done, just click on this change password. Everything is going to run through for good. If you find this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next one.